All right, Ben. So you've been working with F16 Media for a couple months now for your air duct and dry run cleaning company, and you are working with us in a couple different states. So, what is your feedback so far about our services for your duct cleaning company?
Yeah, so I'm happy with the results. Like, you guys doing good. Always available to answer any question. Always want us to push us to get more and more job, and the lead cost going down all the time. And we are happy. That's it.
And what would you like to say about our customer support and customer service?
Yeah, it's feel like every time there's somebody available to answer any question you got. Always follow up. Always reports and try to get the best out of this Facebook and like best to get the best thing for your money.
Okay, just last question. What would you like to say to other duck cleaning companies who are still thinking to start their marketing?
You guys should start today. Have your Facebook campaign with the F16 media. They are doing good. They helpful and just start.
All right, man. Thank you so much.